So here I am looking at this badger at long range, just kind of minding my own business, messing with the thermal, well, the DNT Thermnight 635. It was quite a foggy, kind of misty night on occasions because the Inverness area had, over the last couple of days, has been hit by a heavy har from the North Sea. But yeah, I was getting good visibility out to over 300 yards, messing about with the thermal settings, see which one was good for the night. That little badger, not knowing I was there, he's quite safe, not interested in badgers. And it just seems out of nowhere, something happened. I was just, as I said, messing about with some of the settings, zooming in, doing my bit, and out wanders a fox. Now, it's kind of strange how this worked out because I literally just kind of arrived on site. I was just setting up the rifle, getting the right focus and everything before I started. I hadn't even put any collars out, hadn't done anything. And there was this badger and there was a hare to the left-hand side, which was kind of weird because that's where the fox came from, as you'll see in a second. Fox is down. Well, I never pressed play, but there's a little fox, little dog. It's smelly. I wonder where it came from. I think I've got some footage on the camera.